Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for GM's 1990 to 1995 CK series. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the vehicle to access the fuel tank straps. Support the fuel tank with a jack or stand. Step 3. Remove the factory fuel tank straps by unbolting the fixed end, then sliding the opposite end out of the retaining brackets. Step 4. Slide the ends of the replacement fuel tank straps into the retaining brackets first. Then pull the straps down around the tank, using the indentations in the tank for alignment. Step 6. Bolt the other end of the fuel tank straps in place and tighten the bolts securely with an impact. Finally, make sure the fuel tank straps are seated and secured properly. Slowly lower the jack supporting the tank. Apply a rust-inhibiting top coat to the bolts, brackets, and mounting points. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall any removed components and lower the vehicle.